In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Snapchat poll. So open up Snapchat on your phone and tap on the left icon beside the circular camera button. Scroll across to your camera roll and pick the picture that you want to use for the poll. When the story preview appears, tap on the stickers icon from the right side pane. You should now notice an option for the poll. So tap on the poll icon, then add your question into the poll's text box where it says ask a question. The replies here are focused on emojis, and you can choose emojis as the poll responses. So by default you get the thumbs up and the thumbs down as the poll options. You can change the emojis, so all you have to do is tap on the emoji and wait for the emoji panel to show up, and you can choose between the available emojis based on your preference. You can also drag the question around on the picture and resize it just by pinching and zooming. After that, tap on the send to button. Select whoever you want to send it to or just add it to your story like so. Tap on the OK button if this appears for you. Tap on the arrow in the bottom right, and now if I go back and tap on my story, this will show as a poll, and that's it, you're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.